तशरीफ रखें आप लोग जी, तशरीफ रखें। जी, 233 members rose in favor of clause 2 and 4 members rose against it. Consequently, clause 2 as amended stands part of the bill as it is passed by the votes not less than 2/3 of the total membership of the assembly. खुर्शीद शाह साहब वेलकम। आप सिर्फ हाथ खड़ा कर दिया करें तो हम काउंट कर लेंगे। अल्लाह ताला आपको सेहत दे। Insertion of a new clause, clause 2A. This is an amendment for insertion in clause 2A standing in the name of Law Minister. I call upon the Law Minister to move this amendment.
Sir, I wish to move that in the Constitution 27th Amendment Bill 2025 as passed by Senate of Pakistan, after clause 2 amended as aforesaid, the following new clause 2A shall be inserted, namely 2A, amendment of Article 10 in the Constitution. In Article 10, in clause 4, in explanation 1, after the word "of" occurring for the second time, the word "Supreme Court" shall be inserted.
Now I put the amendment as moved by the Law Minister. The question is that the amendment as moved be adopted. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think ayes have it. Consequently, amendment is adopted. Now I put the clause 2A to the House. The question is that clause 2A do stand part of the bill. All those members in favor of it may rise in the seats and count be made. जी शाह साहब आपका आ गया, आपका भी आ गया, आप भी तशरीफ रखें। जी आप भी तशरीफ रखें। और कोई मेंबर है? तमीना साहब, आपको अगर जरूरत है आप हाथ खड़ा कर दिया करें, बैठने की जरूरत, खड़े होने की जरूरत नहीं। तमीना साहब, बाकी इधर बुलवा ले उन्हें। तमीना साहबा को इधर बुलवा लें। जी चन्नर साहब, आप भी हाथ खड़ा कर दिया करें। ठीक है, तशरीफ रखें।